trophy. Girl, you know so you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girl, they're not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life. Your body looks good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome to this Jamaican type family. I'm going to show you guys how I style this hair from myfirstwig.com for beginners, which was very easy and effortless. So this is how the wig came. The wig is pre-plucked. It is a long curly hair and I got mine in 20 inches. The wig has a 6-inch parting space, which makes the wig more natural. And so I'm just going to spray some water on the hair and then brush it out. And I'm doing this because even though the wig came pre-plucked, I did do a little bit more plucking on the side. So I'm just trying to take out the excess hair and shedding that may be in the wig. So I'm just gonna brush that out, and the water makes it easier to take out the excess hair. And this is all the shedding that I got from plucking. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now I'll put the full details for the wig in my description box down for you guys. So this company is made especially for people who are new at wigs. You've never made a wig before, or it's your first time trying a wig. These wigs are so easy to style. So this is a curly hair. I love curly hair, especially because it's so easy. All you have to do is spray some water in the hair and you see how easy and effortlessly the curls bounce into place. Then I'm just going to use this bristle brush to just make the curls fall into place. Now that I've sprayed the entire hair, I'm just going to take some mousse, and you can use any type of curling foaming mousse that you have. And this is to hold the curls in place so they don't get frizzy. I can control flyaways. The curls are more uniform, and it also adds volume to the curls. So I'm just going to use my fingers, rake the product through so that the hair can get as much of the mousse as possible. And you guys can also see that the mousse adds shine, which is plus. So you don't want your curly hair to look dry and dull. So just use your fingers, manipulate the curl, and it's like super easy. I find this company or wigs very better than getting bundles, because if you look at it, the amount of bundles that you'd buy 3 bundles and a frontal, and then you add up all of that plus to have someone make the wig. If you can't make wigs yourself, it costs way more. So I feel like these wigs are an investment and they're really affordable for the quality of the wig. So you guys should definitely check it out, and as I said before, it's gonna be all in my description box below. So since the frontal is pre-plucked and I did a little bit of plucking, all I'm going to take is some mousse on the hair lining just to make it lay flat and let it stay in place. Now that my wig is ready, I'm just gonna put on my stocking cap, and this is a brown nudish stocking cap, and this is how the hair is looking. I did bleach the knots a little bit more because I wanted it to look a little bit more natural, and because I wanted to match my scalp. So this all depends on your scalp. Now for the got to be glue to lay the wig. This is a glueless wig, so you actually don't even need to add any type of wig glue. The wig is snug. I got mine in a 23-inch size, and I just take a little bit of the got to be glue on the tail of this comb and just put just a tad of it on the hair lining underneath, and then just make it lay flat. And like, it's super easy, you don't even have to do this part, but I just wanted to stay in place. And I tried to fix my part a little bit more, and that's basically all there is to it. Like, the wig is just super easy, and this is how the wig is looking. It's still a little bit damp, but I like how soft it is. It's effortless. And this is the end of the tutorial. I hope this tutorial was very helpful. Everything you'll need to know will be in my description box down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chef. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go on ahead and subscribe. I love y'all for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.